So, what do you guys think we should do? I don't know. I think we should maybe. We should definitely try to get anything we want, but we. Move! Huh? What the. Come on! You wanted this! Huh? You want to attack? You wanted this! Huh? You wanted this! Oh! 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 Ah! You! Ah! Ah! Hey! Hey! Alright, that takes care of 2 members. That takes care of 2. Or should I say 3? Oh! Hey, come on, guys. What do you guys want? We want you. Wait, what? Oh! Oh! Come on. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, my God. Duh. Oh, my God. Oh. Huh? Ow. uh. uh. Anyone who tries to stop us, well, then you're just gonna end up like our buddies here. Let's go, Swerve.